Now we will demonstrate you how to fix the mirror screen AIS Tester problem. It may happen after you updated this firmware of AIS Tester. So when you see the mirror screen, the following video will help you. Turn on the tester. Now we see that the LCD screen is displayed in mirror way. Now go to main menu by pressing Enter key. Then press down key and select manufacturing setting menu, and then please press Enter key 5 times and then press left key to go in this menu. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and left. So now you see we entered the manufacturer settings menu. Then by navigation keys select the LCD type menu and press Enter. So as we see, the problem is fixed. Now you see that the menu, that LCD screen displays information in normal way. So the problem is fixed.